What's poppin', famgoons? Welcome back to my channel for another video. In today's video, we're unboxing a set of Vans, and let me tell you, these Vans are so fire. Recently, Vans did a collab with a skateboarder named HUNRY, and they ended up dropping the Vans called Wavy. Now, I'm super grateful for these shoes because my brother pulled up on me yesterday and dropped me off a pair. He surprised me with them. I didn't even know that he was buying them for me or anything like that. But before I can open them or even lace them up, you know I gotta get an unboxing for y'all. But before we get into all that, I got one thing to say, and you guys know I do not review or unbox shoes often on my channel, so bear with me, you know what I'm saying? I might not use the correct terminology for stuff, or I might not get as detailed as you want me to, but I hope you guys still enjoy. Let's hop into this unboxing. My other unboxings, I used to use a different camera angle and you guys would end up just seeing just my hands while I'm unboxing the shoe, but I don't got that set up for y'all right now, so this is what we're working with. Alright guys, so pretty much I've waited a whole day to take these out and lace them and everything. So that's the top of the shoe, as you can see. We got two different color browns. I don't know if you guys can see this material. This material, like the material that this is made out of, makes this shoe seem very durable and very sturdy. Now, we all know, you know, Vans aren't really much of anything, you know what I'm saying? They're really just cloth. To me personally, I like Vans, comfortable shoe and everything like that, but these are like a different style of Vans. This is actually like a real tennis shoe, you know what I'm saying? And honestly, when my brother surprised me with these, it's like, bro, I don't even know how you know I wanted these, but these things are just so hard. You got the red Vans logo in the back. Let's take these laces out. Let me show you guys the insole of them real quick. Let me see if the insole comes out. Yeah, it does. So here's the insole. Oh, we have a cheetah insole, and that's purple. Even that goes with the shoe. You know what I'm saying? I like that. You're never gonna see that this is purple, but seeing that it goes with the shoe, I really like that. I think that's hard. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we have the Vans logo with a circle around it. Now, I know the circle really isn't anything big, but it makes me feel like the Vans logo is a little fresh again. You know, we've all seen the Vans logo. We've all seen the little skateboard and everything like that. So them putting the circle around the Vans logo on this shoe just makes me feel like this shoe is like fresh. Like it's something different, and that's a big reason of why I wanted it. It just feels like it's really something different that they haven't really done before. All right, so taking a look at the left foot now, I didn't even tell you why they call these wavy, which I'm not even sure why they call them wavy, but this is my guess. Behind the Vans logo, we have like a black wave or something that kind of looks like a black wave. Now, I'm not gonna lie, my brother told me these were 90 bucks. Again, they were a gift. I'm grateful for that. I'm so grateful for that. But these are gonna run you 90 bucks. And 90 bucks is kind of a lot of money. I mean, not really for shoes, honestly. 90 bucks isn't really anything for shoes. But 90 bucks is a higher end Van, you know what I'm saying? Because we all know Vans ends up making like cheaper shoes, 60, 65 bucks, even sometimes 50 bucks. Sometimes they got sales in there for shoes for like 20 bucks. So these are gonna run you like 90, but I will say I really think these are durable. These are gonna last you, and I think they are well worth $90. I ain't even gonna lie to you, Craig. All right, guys, real quick before we get out of here. I started this channel for style, you know what I'm saying? And yes, I talk about clothes, but I haven't really talked about style or how you can, you know, put your clothes together, shit like that. And that's really what I've been really wanting to talk about, but we ain't got there yet. But I cannot pass up this opportunity to show y'all how to lace your shoes or how to make your shoes kind of look better, because honestly, depending on how you lace your shoes, depends on how your shoes are gonna look, you feel me? So with these, I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna lace these real quick. Because if you let the person in Vans do it or wherever else you got your shoes at, you let them lace them, they messed them up. So with these, look, what you're gonna wanna do, you wanna take your shoelace all the way out, all the way down to the bottom. You're gonna wanna make sure that they're even. On the laces, make sure the laces are even and never pull them too tight. Right? And I know that sounds stupid or funny or whatever, but whenever I put the lace through a hole, just don't pull that completely as tight as it can go. Rule number 1. Look, so I'm gonna show you how to do this real quick. We're gonna do this fast and we're gonna get up out of here. So look, you're gonna wanna put the shoelace inside of itself, inside the hole like this. We're gonna go out. Again, do not pull them all the way tight, all right? Again, y'all can do whatever you want. I'm just trying to show you how I'm finna lace these up and pretty much how I lace up all my shoes. So, man, these are gonna be so hard. When I wear these are gonna be so hard. All right, so pretty much we still doing the crisscross, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna leave, like I said, I'm gonna leave with these, I'm gonna leave the last hole open, right? So this is how we're gonna have our shoe, okay? We're gonna have them loose. We're gonna have the laces looking like they're super loose, but if they're your size, they're still gonna fit on your foot and everything like that. This is just how I wear my laces, you know what I'm saying? Give them a nice little tie them real quick, you know what I'm saying? Don't even tie it that tight. You know, you don't want your shoes a little too tight. It ain't like you're running from the cops 24/7. So you want them just to where you can slide them on, slide them off, you know what I'm saying? That's how I be lacing on my shoes. Man, these things are so hard. Alright guys, that's pretty much all I got for you today. Get down in the comments because we really began to popping down there. Let me know if you guys like the video. Let me know if you guys like the shoe. Let me know if you guys like Vans at all. You know what I'm saying? Get down in the comments. Let me know any new clothes y'all got. Hit the like button. And if you guys are still here, hit the sub button because obviously you like my video and I appreciate you. You got an unboxing. You got a shoelace tutorial. What else y'all want from me? Keep it 100 in the streets. Call me whatever you want, but baby, just don't call the cops. Peace.